Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Diko Graphic Design Training. So, here today, I'm going to give you hints on how you can get different kinds of fonts directly to your phones or your laptops for any particular design. Irrespective of application you are using or software, you are good to go. You can get all these kind of fonts for free, absolutely free. I'm going to walk you through step by steps how you can download these fonts to your mobile phone, either to your PixelLab, and how you can access it. And for some of us that are using other applications, you can actually download this using the same steps, even if you want to get it downloaded to your laptop. Now, if you still have more font on your phone, remember, font is a kind of a mouthpiece to our design. No matter how creative you are, if you don't know the choice of font pattern, you are nowhere to be found. There's nowhere to occupy in the graphics industry. Even if you are video editor, animator, or you are a drug designer or website designer, you need to know how to pair fonts and understand how you can get an amazing premium font that can work and beautify and make your design presentable. Having said this, and without wasting much of our time, let's get started. You are not going to visit on any external website. I have all these fonts texted and trusted, and that is exactly what I'm using. The many comments I got recently under 24 hours from my YouTube channel making me to decided to make these videos, because how will you learn and how will you put what you learn in places if you don't have the resources to use? Some of my followers, subscribers were asking if I can give them funds, which I have a lot of these funds on my website. I posted it on my website because I've been using them and I see them amazing. And that is the result of the content you are seeing outside there. So you go to your Chrome browser and you can use any search engine. And as you can see, this is my website. You just visit www.dicographics, Diko Graphics together without space.com, then add ng, then you search. So when you search it, you will landed yourself into this place. So once you got this interface, you are at the right place. So the next thing you need to do, you don't need to even walk through, and if you like, you can just walk through, because these are our varieties of our classes that can make you to stand out and can uh, uh, polish your knowledge, your creativity, and bring that creativity in you. You have been watching the video, learning a lot of things, so you can just tap on any of these and read through them, because there is more details on this which you can actually going through. So now, having said this, but this is not where we're going, okay? So having said this, you can actually go to these three line dots. You can see at the top right corner here. Then you go to blog. These are our classes. You are not going there, just go to blog, tap on the blog. So when you get to the blog, you can see this is where I do post a lot of hints and tips that can help you to be a successful digital content creator or digital designer. This is where graphic designer, this is where I normally post, and I have resumed back because I'm going to be posting a lot of tips as well. All these resources password protected. I've unlocked it. It contains a lot of resources, a lot of resources. You understand? You can just download it, having a lot of thousands of fonts. But who are not just going to that, you can see you can still getting more something. Let's say, for instance, you have been working as a designer, you already equip yourself with many skills. Then the next thing you needed now is how to set up your graphic designer office in your own room. So what do you need to do? So these are the things you can get, and this is how I design my own in my own bedroom. So and I've been doing that. I've been using that for the past 2 years. So how to craft a stunning graphics using a phone. This is the steps. I designed it to give this it for my birthday wishes. These are the resources. I have a lot of stuff. How to gain a customer trust and make money remotely. So you can actually walk through it. No knowledge is wasted. No matter how good you are, when you like to tap ideas, you will still boost yourself. You will polish your ideas as well. You will add it or filter your own idea. Remove the one that need to be removable. Then when you go to this is where we're going, you can see this 30,000 fonts. It is being compiled by me, and you can see I've been posting it for the past 2 years, going to 2 years ago. You see, top premium customer t-shirts, download PixelLab mob latest premium. I updated this 9,000 premium fonts, you can see, and we still have more which you can actually download there. So free PLP is share my design resources as well. So I've resumed back, and I'm going to be posting a lot of stuff here as well which you can actually learn. So let's go to this 30,000 font and see how it look. Okay, so let's go to that 3000. When you tap on it, so it will take you directly to this place. This is an instruction on how you can do it. So you can see 22, and you can see 2022 font pack free, 3000 font download for PixelLab. So you can see posted by me, and if you want to download, just click on download. You see directly to your phone. So when you do that, it will take you directly to your phone. Let's just wait. So to take you to this place. Sorry, I think something is. So you can see after downloading, once you tap that, you download automatically. You must have an application called Zarchiver. Once you have that application, the application will automatically pop up. You tap on it once. Okay, I have all the font already. I'm not even locking it. You can see them. So 3000 fonts, you can see a lot of it. So you can actually, how will you do this? You don't need to even select one after the other. Multi-select, then you multi-select. You can see it. Then when you tap here, you can see the download at the bottom. Then when you click the next one, it automatically downloaded to your phone. And you can see it's extracting. So I have some, so you can see it. Can see it. I'm automatically downloading it to my phone, and that is just how simple and easy it is. So you can just go to your PixelLab right now. So I have something I'm even cooking already. Just done with this. You can see you need all this kind of font to make your design look superb. So let me say I want to look for a font now, because I know the kind of a font there. Let's say Casio. Calcio. Calcio is a tall, bold font. So you can see now. So you can see this kind of font. So you can actually, you might not be able to find this kind of font if you don't have this kind of a tips. So when you download it for free, 3000, at least if you have this 3000 font, the 9000 font are there, which more are going to be uploaded. You can check there for more resources, and mockup and other things will be uploaded there with much instruction. You can actually visit the site to get all these kind tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and don't forget to share this video for more people that are looking for resources. And if you are my subscriber, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I update my channel with amazing video like this. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you. Have a blessed week ahead.